My name is Stanley Long. I'm from Bladen County. As you can tell, I had multiple cracks in the cement from failing to put expansion joints. The advice I got at the time was it's going to crack where it's going to crack. That's the wrong attitude. So it did crack. 300 and some feet of cracks over the years. And then the water gets in, the dirt gets in, the grass grows up, the ants even make beds on them. And I just got tired of looking at all that stuff and thought I would get the cracks filled. But my brother got some work done through Southeast Foundation, and it looked really good, and he was well pleased with it, and he's hard to please. I decided to call you guys, and I'm glad I did. As you can tell, I got all my cracks sealed, and all I got to do now is put my sealant on the concrete. Everybody I talked to was great. They were. I even mentioned that to Patrick. I said, you know, everybody I've talked to at the office, are they that happy all the time? Patrick was very thorough. I was impressed with him. And I had to call back. There were a couple of questions, and he got me those answers promptly. I was well pleased with that. One was very professional. If I had a business, I'd hire him. He was good. They stayed with it. I think they had another job that they had to go to, but it took longer on this project than they thought it would. So they didn't get to that other job, but they didn't rush through it. They continued on and finished and done what they need to do. No, I even had a couple of spots where the fire ants had cracked back through the cracks. And another gentleman came out and made the follow-up visit repair, and he showed me why it happened and explained to me how it happened and helped me understand that. So he got me squared away, and they did it in a timely manner. I'd give you a 10. I surely would, and I'm not just saying that.